Hello, what's up everyone? This is your boy Yahito at welcome back ulit sa channel natin. Sa video na to, may enos na ako o i-introduce na laro na bagong-bago sa web. Ito ang tinatawag na Lumina GG at magre-reveal lang tayo ng sadlit sa larong ito. So, ano pang hinintay ninyo? Tara na sa laro. Ayan guys, nandito sa Lumina GG. Huwag kalimutan mag-connect ng wallet at make sure na ginagamit yung wallet ay yung burner wallet. Huwag nyo gamitin yung main wallet nyo para hindi yun ma-compromise. So tara, let's go! So nandito tayo sa Lumina GG. Tapusin na natin yung tutorial. Itong tutorial hahanapin natin si Mira sa workshop niya. Tapos click na natin yung space para ma-interact natin si Mira. Ito na yun. So, you must be the new face from the townhouses. I'm Mira. I keep first lights archive. I'm afraid you arrive at strange time. Our old index crystal has been restless all over Lamena. Wild domins are panicking. Understanding this before anything else, wild domins are attacking because they're evil. The origin codes are being disturbed. Something is stirring the world index, and this old iris can go chasing it, but a field trainer could. And I have a codex ready for one. Which means, paperwork of course, the codex needs your register entry. What was your name again? So, need nyong ilagay yung gusto nyong pangalan para ma-interact nyo yung Lumina. So, lagay lang natin dito, Yahito. Tapos click inscribe. So Yahito, just inscribe. The codex will know you now wherever you go. But no trainer should walk Lumina alone, and it happens I have been keeping something at my workshop. Come inside Yahito, I have something for you. So, follow na natin si Mira sa workshop niya. Uy! Naisip nyo ba naisip ko? Parang may tatlong lamp. Ano ba ibig sabihin yan? Siyempre, mamimili tayo ng monster. Yan, di ba? Parang Pokemon. Tapos pili na tayo Tignan natin si Mera. Ay, hindi. Yun. Paano ba? At ayun, andito na tayo kay Mira. Click na natin yung space. So may tatlo ditong pagpipilian. Isang fire, grass, at water. Yung fire naman na si Fire Pop is a cheerful flame pop whose tail burns brighter when it thrusts its trainer. Young Fire Pop chase candlelight across warm stone, pots at dust. Yun si Fire Pop. Ito naman si Piglet na grass, a gentle sprout lumen that naps its sunny garden tiles. It leaves perk up whenever it senses healthy growth nearby. At lastly, yung si Tidiot, a playful water pop that rides tiny waves near ducks. Tidiot stores droplets in the soft crest on its head. Yun pala yun. So, siyempre, ako ay isang fire lover. Gusto kong mag-ban si Pyra Pop. So, piliin natin si Pyra Pop. Ayun. A fine choice. The two of you will look after each other. Now come, follow me outside. A new pair should feel the daylight together. So, punta tayo sa labas. Tingnan natin. Tapos follow lang natin ulit si Mira. Uy, do you feel that the crystal is flaring? There's a wild scrat beat. Its origin code is destabilizing. Careful, Yahito. It's frightened and it will be fight hard. Calm it down before it hurts itself. So, kakalmadohin muna natin itong si Squirrel o si Scrapbit. So, fight muna natin. Ayun. Tiny Tackle. Okay, fight na ulit. Ayun. So, yung Tiny Tackle ay may 40 power. Yun. Meron naka-earn na tayo ng 44 XP at nag-level up pa yung Pyra Pop natin to level 6. So, you stabilize it, you see? It wasn't weak, only frightened. Its origin code has settled again. Your partner fought hard for you. Yahito, it needs rest, and there's no better place than our old index crystal. Come follow me. So here we are, first light index crystal. It has watched over this village for generation. Stand close and let your lumen fields it light. So click na natin space. The light washes over your team. Your lumen fully healed and ready to go. So yung crystal na ito, ay ito yung parang Pokemon Center natin. Dito yung mag-heal yung mga lumens natin. So one more lesson before I send you onwards. Siya ito. Come with me to Tolgas by the north path. With lumens open hide there and a trainer should know how to welcome one safely. So paro na natin si Mira sa high grass. So ito na yung high grass. So siyempre, tatakbo lang tayo doon sa grass. At ayun, may nakita tayong nibag. So while lumens are easier to catch after they are weakened, use an attack first. So need natin ma-weaken yung nibag para makuha natin. So use attack first. So tiny tackle, may 40 power tapos accuracy of 100. Okay, let's go. Ayun, at na-critical hit pa. At yung HP niya ay nasa 20%. So need natin i-open daw yung bag at click na natin yung Wish Lantern. So yung Wish Lantern ay parang Pokeball. A simple lantern cradling a faint wish of light can hold a weakened lumen. So let's go. Catch natin si Nibag. Okay, wait lang natin mag-confirm. Ayun, at nakuha natin si Nibag at nag-join na din sa party natin. Let's go! So well done, you did not just win a fight, you earned that lumen's trust. Keep an eye on your team's HP, carry a few lanterns and you will be ready for the road ahead. Now then your Yahito, your colleague still needs a proper sync and only the relay at Bloomvale can do that. Take the north path past Softglade. So you may need a little help getting going, so take this 5 wish lantern, 1 heal patch, and 100 pixels. So bibigyan ka ni Mira ng 5 wish lantern para panghuli, isang 1 heal patch para ma-heal mo yung lumen mo at isang 100 pixels. So lumen is kinder than it was right now. Go see it for yourself and trust your partner. So may na-receive na tayo at natapos natin yung tutorial natin. So yun lang guys, kung gusto niyo ng mga bagong updates sa Lumen GG, huwag kalimutan mag-share, like, at hit that notification bell at mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel natin. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!